everybody, and welcome back to Sharon Cullen Art. My name is Sharon, and today is Inktober Day 8. The prompt is star, and I'm just doing a night sky with some stars in the sky, and it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm using India inks here, and these are the Dr. P.H. Martin. In the sky, I used the violet and the teal and blue to do the night sky. Then for the trees, I added a little bit of red into my green and then a little black to darken it up for the distant trees. And I put in a full moon using some teal, a little bit of yellow, and then the rest of it was white. Put in a few clouds in the sky and some stars with a gold pen. That's pretty much it. So enjoy. So as I finish things up here, everybody enjoy your Inktober Day, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all soon. Remember, be courageous, sketch with wild abandon, and most of all, be kind to each other. Bye-bye.